Hello everyone, this is Maggie from Winkle Laser. Today I will introduce this 360-degree cryolipolysis machine to you. Our machine designed with 360-degree surround cooling technology. The multiple cooling cups fit all curves and contours from as high as your chin all the way down to the knees to deliver absolute non-invasive body contouring away. First, the freezing handle of our machine can be used separately, saving wear and tear on the machine. Secondly, the handle temperature of our machine can be as low as -10 degrees Celsius to ensure effective treatment. Thirdly, the handle can be replaced with different treatment probes and achieve 360-degree cooling effect. Next, I will introduce the details of our machine handles. Our machine is equipped with 6 interchangeable semiconductor silicon probes with different shape and size treatment probes that are flexible and ergonomic in order to update to the whole body contouring treatment. Designed to treat 5 deposits on the double chin, arms, abdomen, sideways, buttocks, thighs, and other areas. When you do the double chin treatment, we can provide this treatment pillow. When you do the treatment, you can adjust this screen. Now I will introduce how to operate it. Here you can choose gender, age, and thickness of fat to be treated. And next, there are 4 areas here, corresponding to the 4 treatment handles of our machine. You can see above which treatment areas are the hand is suitable for. The 4 handles of our machine can work independently or work together, and the parameters of our 4 handles can be adjusted independently. This button represents the suction strength of the machine. We have 1 to 5 gears, and here will be displayed in real-time suction values according to the suction gears to display real-time values. And this button represents the cooling energy. We have 1 to 5 gears. You can adjust by clicking the up and down buttons. It can achieve -16 degrees Celsius. This is my introduction of this cryolipolysis machine. If you are interested in this machine, please contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.